Hey guys, it's Redstone here, and today, I actually have an interesting video. I usually don't do this type of stuff, but I think it's a very exciting topic, and I would like for you guys to leave links in the description. Now, I've been on the record for a while now that I don't really like GearBest, but in this situation, I might try them out. So, if you want to leave a GearBest link in the description, not the description, in the comment section, then go ahead and do so. However, I don't want it to be affiliate, just a normal link, or, because I don't really, I do support affiliate links. I think they're really cool that they support little channels and stuff. I kind of don't want to affiliate links, so if we can stay away from that. If you have to, you can. I just kind of want to stay away from that. Alright, sorry about that. My mom just texted me, but, so, I have about $620. I sold my old iPad and my old computer for about $620 in total. And I want to buy 2 printers. So if you guys want to leave a link below the printers that you would recommend for under $620, 2 of them, and I will definitely look into it. The 2 that I have my eye on the most right now is the Creality Ender 2, which if you were live streamed, tuned into Print and Play's, channel, yesterday, I believe. He did a live stream, and I talked about how I'm gonna get it. Well, I found another printer that I thought was kind of cool. It was a lot like the Ender, but it's the Tronxy. It had this really weird name. It was like a portable 3D printer. With all said and done, it was about $240. I could not find it anywhere else besides GearBest, so I might have to use GearBest. But if you guys have any printers that you would recommend, leave them in the comment section. Just leave a link. I don't know if they're going to be reported for spam. If they are, then I'll just look through my spam section. I don't think it will be, but yeah. So, if you guys don't know, I'm actually in my new place until Thursday. So, I'm moving back Thursday. Cross my fingers, knock on wood. Right? But let's hope. Let's hope that I get back on Thursday. But yeah. So this is my place, but it's pretty awesome actually. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. So just leave some printers in the description, or like the comment section, sorry, and I will be very happy. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.